one and say go. Go, okay? 3, 2, 1, go. God! That hurts so bad.
Let's see the damage. Let's see the damage. Let's see the damage. You got me. Dude. Wait. Lift it up, dude. Whoa. Oh my god. Dude. Holy doo-doo, dude.
You hit me right by the nuts.
Dude.
Arms.
Alright, let's see the guns. Let's see the guns. Let's see the guns. Alright, this one, how many feet per second is this one?
I don't. 350.
350. And this one was 410. Right there.
Yeah.
And what did we learn from this, Matthew?
This arm got lit up. Airsoft's fun. That was awesome. Okay, do it again. Wait. I'm gonna tighten up all my muscles.
That's worse, dude.
This one's gonna really hurt. Okay. On go again. Don't do the full thing, man. That hurts.
Okay, we'll do it.
Count to 3 or something.
Okay.
All right. 3, 2, 1, go! Keep on going! Keep on going! Do more!
I didn't shoot anything.
More!
No, I think you're empty.
God, do some more!
No, you're empty.
Ow! Stop! Ow! Stop! God!
Ah, dude.
God! That stings, dude.
What?
Looks like ant
Look at my
bites.
muscle twitching.
Looks like ant bites and stuff. I bet you
got me more that time.
I bet you'd stop feeling it after a while if I just sat there. Look at all that.
Dude, holy crap, dude.
You lit me up, man.
Dude.
First it was just hitting there, I was like, oh, this is fun.